break. The jackals on my set, whose jingles would it take? See, that's my only problem, I can't quit the game. I'm in and out of jail, and that's a damn shame. Who's to blame? Is it me or the older generation? I'm slinging coke on the block cause that's my occupation. Influenced by many, misguided by plenty. Ready to grab my Glock and blast nigga on any. Cause niggas will try to get you, so I get them first. Lose your self-composure and you'll be in a hearse. More would rather be crucified than in a pen. I knew the rules of the game before I jumped in.
Did you know the rules?
I can't win in this game, I can only lose.
Is it your attitude?
Fucking attitude, nigga, I'm just being rude.
Did you know the rules?
I can't win in this game, I can only lose.
Is it your attitude?
Fucking attitude, nigga, I'm just being
My
rude.
bitch woke me up early, wee hours of my sleep. Some niggas masked up in my yard, they tryna creep. Jumped up and grabbed a fucking K up out the closet. I'ma leave these niggas head leaking like a fucking faucet. Slip my nightstone and laid on the kitchen floor. I'ma kill the first nigga that walks through the door. I got a feeling that I know these niggas here. I got a feeling I'ma make them bitches disappear. Them niggas opened up my door and I was shocked because some bitches had 2 keys to my fucking lock. I turned around to see my bitch nowhere to be found. I let the slut from the case start spitting all around. I hit one of the niggas that heard my bitch's voice. She started screaming, oh my god, are you alright, Royce? Who the fuck is Royce? To myself I start to choke. I can't believe behind my stash you wanna see me smoke. That goes to show you in this game I can't win, but I knew the rules of the game before I jumped in.